Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to explore how to manage your calls on the Botim app. If you want to control who can reach you and keep your calls private, this video will guide you through the process in a simple and easy. First, open the Botim app on your phone. Once it's open, look at the top right and tap on your profile photo. Next, scroll down and tap on Privacy. After that, tap on the Call option. This section allows you to control who can make calls to you on Botim. You will see three choices: Everyone, My Contacts, and My Contacts, Except. Choosing Everyone allows anyone on Botim to call you. Selecting My Contacts ensures only people saved in your contacts can reach you. If you prefer more control, My Contacts Except lets you block specific contacts from calling you, while still allowing others to connect. Finally, select the option that best fits your preference and save your settings. Remember to subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and share it with friends who might find it helpful. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.